Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're doing something that we've never done before. We are going and doing a birthday cruise. So there are a bunch of cars that are all getting together, lining up and going for a cruise to different people's houses who are having birthdays. We're taking the M3 and we're gonna go hopefully make some people's day and smile. I think there's like 19 birthdays, 1 retirement, 1 graduation, so it should be pretty fun. Last time I heard there was like 75 cars that went, and we actually learned this from Jason at Bespoke Custom Auto Detailing. So let's head over there and let's see how many people's day we can make. This is pretty freaking awesome. Some people have gone right out. Balloons, stuffed animals, straight out of Ogden. Ouch. Graduation, big presents. Stars, hats. More stars. Super nice. This sounds like a sleeper. Look who it is. Jason and Christine. Look at that Explorer. So awesome. Check this out. Minnie Mouse. Chevy with big birthday cake. Good, how are you? Awesome. Look at this old Chev stepside. So clean, so nice. Racing seats. Super sick. Monster truck. What a cool idea. It's too bad this is the last one. We should have jumped on this a lot earlier because this really looks like a ton of fun. So we're gonna bring you guys along to all of the houses. We'll go check out everyone and see how many people we can bring a smile to. Check out this old fire truck. Oh my gosh, that is friggin' awesome. That is the coolest thing ever. That is so rad.
We might have to have a chat about that.
All right, we got Steve and Lee.
I know, right?
Nice soccer mobile. Woo! You can pretend.
No, I don't want that.
Check out this merch. Wonder where they got that from. Pretty sweet, I gotta say. You guys are interested in getting a t-shirt? Contact me below, drop a comment, send me a message on Instagram, and we will get you set up and send you out a shirt. $30 Canadian, and I'll cover the mailing charges and send them to you. All we ask is you send us a photo of you wearing the merchandise and we'll share it on Instagram. There is a face of disappointment.
Everybody's supposed to be running. I'm smiling.
I'll drive it and ride with him.
Face of disappointment.
everybody needs a lullaby. Nobody never know. Keep dancing with it, everybody needs a lullaby.
Finishing the cruise off with a nice downpour, cooling everybody off. What a blast.
Thank you. Thank you. Next day, you guys. I don't want to get car.
Back home now. That concludes today's fun and adventures with the birthday cruise. Let me know what you guys thought. It was a lot of fun. I know my kids had a lot of fun. Tammy had a lot of fun. It was just great to get out and wish a lot of people happy birthday and graduation and retirement and all those wonderful things. It was about 2 hours long and just so much fun. Drop a comment, let me know. If you're new to the channel, do as the thunder says, subscribe. Links below. Hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. But please like, comment, subscribe.